Hi, it's Leanne, and today we're going to talk about streamlining your systems. Do you ever feel like at the end of the day you've worked really hard but you have nothing to show for it? If you had to identify to somebody what you actually did that day, you'd have a difficult time describing it because it feels like you didn't actually get anything done. Well, sometimes that happens because our systems are not streamlined or they're not efficient. So just to give you an example, sometimes we have difficult tasks that we have to do periodically, and that might be every month or every year, and they're complicated, but we don't do them very often, and so in between we forget how to do them. And then when we go to do them, it feels like we're having to start from the very beginning and create the process over again, even though we already did it a few months ago or some other time. We just can't remember how to do it. Well, there's a way to fix that problem. And that's simply by making a systematized checklist. So it takes a little bit of extra time at the beginning, but what you're going to do is write down each step very carefully, and you can use this as a paper checklist, or you could put it in Word or in OneNote or in some other program. It's nice if you can put the little check boxes beside it, and you just go step by step and put in any details that you need, because that way the next time you have to do that task, you don't even have to really think about it. You can just simply follow the checklist. You don't have to search for the steps or the information because you've already taken a little bit of extra time at the beginning to identify all that. And now what it does, it can take a very difficult task that requires all of your concentration and turn it into a more routine task that you don't really have to think so hard to do. So that's going to keep you from draining your mental energy. Another area in which we can use systems to make us more productive is by planning our projects for the next few months. And so to do that, basically you need to write down everything you must do during that time, everything you should do, and everything that you could do if you have time. Then you're going to have to estimate how long each task will take and start assigning times on your calendar to do these tasks. So you're going to want to put the tasks that you must do in first, and then the tasks that you should do. If you have some time left, then you can put in some of the tasks that you could do. But remember, when you're doing this, don't fill every time slot, because there are always little things that come up, unexpected things. Sometimes you just need a break, sometimes you get sick, and other times there's paperwork that you forgot to factor in. So you can't fill your entire calendar way ahead with all these tasks. But it will help you get the important things in, and it's one way of systematizing your work to help you to be more productive. So I hope you find that helpful, and we'll see you next time.